Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I snagged all of these items for free, plus a $3 and change moneymaker at Walgreens today. So the Walgreens ad started Sunday, November 22nd and runs through Saturday, November 28th. And there are some fantastic deals to be had this week. Before I get into the breakdown, I would like to thank you guys so much for your support recently. If you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. That way you never miss a deal. All right, so let's get to the deals. Last week when I was at Walgreens and I checked out, the Catalina machine printed a coupon for $5 back in Walgreens cash when I spent $20. So I wanted to use that this week. So I was trying to come up with a scenario where I spent at least $20 so I could get that $5 in Walgreens cash back. Now, if you are not aware, the Walgreens Balance Rewards program has changed over to Walgreens Cash, which is why you keep hearing me say Walgreens Cash versus the Balance Reward points. So that will be the verbiage that I use going forward. All right, so the first deal that I grabbed this week is the Crest Oral Care deal. So this is on promotion this week. When you buy 3 participating Crest products, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. So this Crest Scope Outlast is priced at $3, and there is a $1 digital that you can clip to your card. I also grabbed this Oral-B toothbrush, also priced at $3, and there is a $2 off digital that you can clip to your card. Y'all, and I totally made a mistake on this. So if you are a new couponer and you make a mistake and you're hard on yourself, just know that it happens to everyone. We are human. I scanned this with my Walgreens app in the store, and it showed that the product qualified for that $2 coupon, but I forgot to clip it. So I lost out on $2 because of that. So make sure that you clip your coupons to your card and you don't just make sure it qualifies and then forget to clip it. So again, this is $3. There's a $2 digital, making it just $1. The third item that I grabbed was this Crest 3D White, priced at $3. And again, when you buy all 3 items, you will get a $5 register reward. So 3, 3, and 3 minus the $2, minus the $1, minus the $2 digital, you'll pay $4. You're gonna get a $5 register reward, making all 3 items free, plus a $1 moneymaker. Another oral care deal this week is the Colgate. So these toothpastes are on promotion for when you buy 2. You'll get a $5 register reward. So these Optic Whites were priced at $2.99. There is a 50-cent digital coupon that you can clip to your card. So you will pay $5.48 and you will get $5 in register rewards back. But check your Ibotta app because Ibotta was giving $1 back on each of these. So I got them for free, plus a $1.52 moneymaker. If you don't have the Ibotta app, stop what you're doing, grab the Ibotta app. I would love it if you used my referral code. You will be so thankful you did. So many ways to get cash back on the Ibotta app. All right. So another fantastic part of that $20 that I was trying to spend was this Vaseline lotion. So this is priced at $4.99. There was a $2 digital coupon, making it $2.99, but the Shopkick app is giving back 700 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.80, making it just 19 cents for this bottle of lotion. Again, if you do not have the Shopkick app, grab it today. Use my referral code and you're going to get some extra kicks back when you scan your first receipt. All right, the last couple of things that I grabbed as part of that, trying to get to $20. The M&Ms. So these fudge brownie M&Ms, they're priced at 88 cents. Shopkick is giving back 300 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.20, making these M&Ms a 32-cent moneymaker. The last item is this Compeed the Blister 12 pack. These are priced at $9.99. There is a $5 off coupon in the November 1st Retail Me Not. So you'll pay $4.99, but again, ibotta is giving back $5 on this item, making it completely free. So those are the items that I purchased in my first transaction. My total was over $20, so I got that $5 in Walgreens cash back. I got the $5 in register rewards for the Crest, $5 in register rewards for the Colgate, and then the points back on ibotta and Shopkick, making it over a $7 moneymaker on that transaction alone. All right, now I had some register rewards from last week that I wanted to use. So my second transaction was to use some of those register rewards. I noticed that this community coffee, the K-Cups, were on sale for $2.99. Now that's just a sale price, no coupons, no cash back, $2.99 for 12 K-Cups. That comes out to about 25 cents per K-Cup. So in my opinion, anything less than 30 cents per K-Cup is a great price. So this was a super easy one for me. Now, it was $2.99. I had a $2 register reward and a 99-cent register reward that I wanted to use. But if you're new to couponing at Walgreens, one thing you need to know is you cannot have more coupons than you have items. So if you have 4 items and each one you have a coupon for, you're not going to be able to pay with a register reward. Okay, so I grabbed these Jellos that are on sale this week, 2 for $1, because I wanted to be able to use both of my register rewards. So $2.99 plus $1 is $3.99. I used a $2 register reward and a 99-cent register reward. So my total was $1, and I paid with $1 in points. So at checkout, I paid $0 in cash or on a card because I had the register rewards and the points on my card. And I just love it when that happens because it helps me budgeting wise. Last deal, okay, and this might be a hard one to find. It is a great price online. Mine are priced way higher in store, and my store will not price match online prices. So you have a couple of options. If your store will price match an online price, you can do the deal in store. If they won't, you can do buy online, pick up in store. So online, these Nivea shave gels are priced at $2.69. So when you buy 2, the total is $5.38. Now, when you buy 2 of these, you will get $5 in Walgreens cash back in your account. So $5.38, get $5 back, 38 cents for both, or just 19 cents per Nivea shave gel. So that was a great, great deal. Check and see if you have some in stock near you. A lot of times when there's a deal that good, they can be hard to find. All right, let me know, guys, are you finding other awesome deals that I am missing out on? Drop me a note in the comments and let me know what deals you're grabbing at Walgreens this week. Stay tuned for Wednesday. I will be bringing you Walmart Wednesday, a video of my deals that I am grabbing at Walmart. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Monday. Thanks.